You know, when you reach a certain age, the world starts to change around you. Things that once seemed so easy, like bending down to tie your shoes or climbing a flight of stairs, suddenly feel like a Herculean task. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. Exercise isn't just for the young, it's for everyone, especially seniors. It's about maintaining health, vitality, and a sense of independence. I remember when I first started to feel the weight of my years. I'd wake up in the morning and my joints would creak like an old door. I thought, this is it. This is how it ends. But then I discovered the magic of movement. It's not about running marathons or lifting heavy weights. It's about finding what works for you. Simple stretches, gentle walks, or even chair exercises can make a world of difference. Take walking, for instance. It's one of the simplest forms of exercise, yet it's incredibly effective. Just a short stroll around the neighborhood can lift your spirits, clear your mind, and strengthen your heart. I started walking every day, and soon I found myself looking forward to it. The fresh air, the sounds of nature, the friendly waves from neighbors. It all became part of my routine. And let me tell you, those little moments of connection, they matter. Then there are strength exercises. You might think, strength? At my age? But it's true. Lifting light weights or even using resistance bands can help maintain muscle mass and improve balance. I started with soup cans, and you know what? It felt empowering. I could feel my body getting stronger, more capable, and that strength translated into every aspect of my life. I could carry my groceries, play with my grandkids, and even get up from the couch without feeling like I was wrestling a bear. And let's not forget about flexibility. Yoga and stretching are fantastic for keeping those muscles limber. I joined a local class, and at first, I was intimidated. Everyone seemed so much more flexible than I was. But the instructor reminded us that it's not about comparison, it's about progress. Each stretch, each pose was a step toward feeling better in my own skin. So, here's the truth. Exercise for seniors isn't just about physical health. It's about mental well-being too. It's about staying engaged, feeling alive, and embracing the joy of movement. It's about proving to ourselves that we're not done yet. We have stories to tell, adventures to embark on, and life to live. So let's lace up those sneakers, roll out those yoga mats, and get moving. Because every step we take is a step toward a healthier, happier us.